Florida for a total of 3 weeks. Alright, so Lexi got the Dole Whip nachos. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Look at that, bro. This is an aquarium inside of the restaurant. The roof is leaking. It's actually burning the carpet. It's straight hot water. Look at that. Amazing. Alright guys, welcome back to the Kim and Lex channel. I have to talk really fast, make this intro quick because we have a flight that we gotta go to. We're gonna be staying in Orlando, Florida for a total of 3 weeks. It's the longest vacation that I've been on. It's the longest vacation of the summer. We've been on a couple this summer. We have documented it here on the channel. I'm gonna bring you guys along with the ride. Me and Lexi, she's behind the camera this time. And we're gonna bring you guys along with the ride and vlog pretty much everything. There's gonna be a couple videos down below in the description. There's gonna be a playlist so you guys don't miss any of the Orlando, Florida vlogs. Also, if you guys are new, please guys spend 1 second down below, give the video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe, guys. We might be doing a giveaway pretty soon. We'll let you guys know more about that, but please down below go subscribe. It helps me and Lexi out. It helps us produce more content for you guys. Last but not least, like I said, this is going to be a crazy vacation. We're going to take you guys along with the ride. We're going to be going to 3 Universal Studios parks that's owned by Universal. Actual Universal Studios park, Islands of Adventure, and the newest one that they have, it's still a couple years old, but it's the newest one that Universal has, Volcano Bay, as well as 2 Disney parks. We're gonna be going to Magic Kingdom and Epcot, guys. So it's gonna be absolutely crazy. We're gonna do a lot of other stuff throughout the week that we're there as well. Swim, vlog footage of the hotel. We're gonna be eating at some crazy places. One of the places is gonna be actually at Epcot itself, so it's gonna be ridiculous and awesome, guys. So we wanna bring you guys along with the ride. Like I said, we gotta go. We have a flight and let's get it. Alright guys, we are now on the flight. Luckily I got a window seat. I'm dying of thirst. Hopefully we'll get up in the air and they'll come around and offer drinks because I'm actually dying.
And cue the cinematic airplane footage.
Alright guys, we just landed. We're now officially at the airport. Look how awkward they're looking. But yeah, we just landed. It was a pretty good flight. A little bit of turbulence, not crazy. But now we gotta head to baggage claim, get our suitcases, and then we gotta go down to the rental car. It's waiting on us as well. And then we'll head to the hotel. And then we will do a hotel tour.
Yes.
3 hours later.
Okay, so this is the tour, guys. This is the way in, the first bathroom. So there's 2 total bathrooms, peep the fit. I'm actually so excited they have not changed this area. So we have Brittany's and Lexi's bed, or Lexi's bed, Brittany's bed, whatever. But you know, this is TV, cool area here, you know, this is for them. This area here, this is the master bedroom. There's Cody, you know, he's just chilling. This is a patio. We'll go out here in a few moments and I'll show you guys the patio. The pool is right there, literally. In here, this is the master bathroom. Shower, toilet, and a jetted tub. This is a jetted tub. This is the kitchen area. This is the dining area. This is the kitchen area. Brittany's over there vlogging. Dad's got his Taco Bell. Cabinet, sink, washer, dryer, and a fridge. They give you all the cooking utensils and everything. Yep, they give you all that. Dishwasher, washer and dryer. You know, you got the oven, you got the microwave, like I said, dryer, washer. This is the living area, so there's a couch, chair, and a TV here.
The next day.
Alright guys, it is now day 2. Okay, don't be minding the hair, alright? I just woke up. We're about to go to the pool. It's a beautiful time. I'm gonna bring the camera just to show you guys what it looks like in the daytime. We showed you guys at nighttime, but I want to show you guys what it looks like in the daytime because that's where it looks the best in my personal opinion. I think it looks beautiful. Palm trees. The ground is hot. Ready to swim?
Yes.
Oh yes. Another palm tree here, guys. I didn't show you guys this yesterday. But yeah, this is the hot tub. Whew. Whew. It is way too hot to be putting your feet in the hot tub, but I'm gonna do it just for the vlog. Oh my gosh, guys. Crystal clear. There's no lifeguard on duty, so. Oh, baby. This isn't paradise. I don't know what is. Lexi's gonna go jump in. Alright, ready? Gosh. It's a warm day. It's like 88 degrees out here. But that feels great.
I'm ready to jump in.
3 hours later.
Alright, we are now making our way. Our first official entrance into Disney Springs. Here we go, guys. This is the POV. Chilling on the escalator. Oh, baby. A lot of people here. A lot of people here. Alright. So Lexi has found her Disney ears. Now they're not Mickey Mouse Disney ears, you know, but it's Baby Yoda. And I think it's actually cooler than normal Disney ears.
These look good.
What? I've been here to find a Goofy hat, but I decided I'm gonna get this one, I think. I think this one's kind of cool. So she got the cute little Baby Yoda Disney ears. I'm gonna get the Baby Yoda hat to match her, and we're gonna wear it to Epcot tomorrow, so it's gonna be kind of cool. I ended up changing my hat. I got the, still the Yoda hat, but I got him with the hands dangling. I think it looks more cute. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow for Epcot, and Lexi's gonna pick up this one, but she also got a second pair for Magic Kingdom. Some more actual conventional Disney ears. I like those too as well. She's been wanting these. She didn't get them last year, so I'm glad that she able to get them. But yeah, I think this one looks kind of cute. I'm kind of glad. So we're gonna be matching for Epcot.
And a Baby Yoda shirt.
And a Baby Yoda shirt that even matches it, guys. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, look, I found a miniature Lexi. Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, first things first, we got some churros at the churro stand.
You cannot come to Disney Springs, guys, and not get a churro. And
Second thing
is we were standing in the churro line, and I bought this. I showed you guys the other one. Then I went back and I decided to buy this one with the hands, and I didn't know that the ears actually move. We were standing in line, and Cody over here squeezed the hands and realized that the ears actually move.
Yep, so cool.
So yeah, both ears move. I didn't know it. I knew that it was more expensive. I just thought it was just because of the hands, but both ears move. So that's pretty cool, I guess. I don't know, not worth 40 bucks, but you know, still pretty cool. Okay, so
We was taking a nap.
me and Lex, look at my hair. We was literally just taking a nap.
Oh, that's hot one.
The fire alarm is going off, so we're laying here asleep. We're literally knocked out.
Yeah, we're taking a nap.
Someone's taking either a bath or a shower above us, and the roof is leaking. The roof is leaking. Like severely leaking. So you guys can see right here, look. Fire alarm's off. The wall is soaked completely. Look at this. It's actually getting really bad.
It's literally gonna cave in.
Yeah.
We need to go tell them to turn it
The
off.
person above us, if it does not stop, it is gonna get really bad. Carpet is soaked, guys. Carpet's soaked. Look at this. It's actually burning the carpet. It's straight hot water. Look at that. That is actually crazy.
get everything out?
Yeah, everything's out. My God, guys. We've never had this. You can actually see the steam from the carpet, bro. Guys, I've kind of given in, not gonna lie. I went with the Jumbo Mickey cookie. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. How can you not get a snack at Disney Springs?
Wait, is it the size of my head?
My gosh, it is. Okay, guys, so I got the Jumbo cookie. I probably shouldn't have got it because it's already starting to melt on me. And also, like I said, we have food, and this is a pretty big cookie. So hopefully it doesn't make me sick in my stomach, but I'm gonna try for you guys on camera. That is good.
Try it on the other side where it's plain. No chocolate dip. Does it still taste the same?
The cookie does taste the same, but that chocolate is way better. That is really good. 10 out of 10. Alright guys, Lexi wanted her a snack now. We are stopping out front of Marketplace Snacks here at Disney Springs. Alright, so Lexi got the Dole Whipped nachos, I think is what it's called.
Berry boba pearls, rainbow sprinkles, Dole Whip, whipped cream, and these little nachos are actually just waffle shells.
Those look good. Let me know what it tastes like. Is
It
it,
like pops in your mouth.
is it good or is it good?
It's good.
Put that on there, hold on. Throw a pearl on there. Oh yes. Alright guys, here we go.
Don't it pop in your mouth?
What is this ice cream?
Dole Whip.
Pineapple?
Pineapple.
That's really good. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. Okay guys, we are coming upon our restaurant here. This is the outside of the Rainforest Cafe. You guys can see right there. Look at this. You cannot tell me, bro. You know this is a Disney place, bro. You can just tell by the decorations.
The alligators here.
Guys, the inside. I want to show you guys the actual inside of the place. I think the inside's a little bit cooler than the outside. Look how beautiful, guys. Okay guys, so this is some of the food that they have here. Rib steak and shrimp, taste of the island, and I don't know what that is. Pasta laya, I guess what they call it. And there's Lacey on top. So guys, this is a restaurant, half convenience store, I guess is what you could call it. You guys can see how much actual detail they put into this restaurant. The snake is moving, butterfly is moving. Right there behind them are actual fish. Look at that, guys. Right here is an actual full aquarium. Look at that, bro. This is an aquarium inside of the restaurant. Look how cool, guys. It's like a full archway, like a walkway. And there is the actual restaurant. So that is where we're hopefully gonna be able to sit down and eat for you guys. I'll record the food as well. All right, guys, we're going in. Here we go. We have officially made it into the Rainforest Cafe. Look at this. All crazy, crazy. Look at that. Elephant. That looks lit. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Oh, baby. Yeah, guys, this is our view from where we're sitting. Look at that monkey, bro. What? This is our view, though. Beautiful, beautiful. We got Steve, the elephant, behind us, just chilling. Oh my God, he started to move right when I aimed at him. Hey guys, so our food is here.
I got the steak and shrimp scampi.
Okay, so this is, what is that?
This is shrimp scampi. This is steak and mashed potato. And this is the jumbo shrimp fried. It is. I'm excited.
Not a seafood person, but that looks pretty good. This is what we got, guys. So we have a half rack of baby back ribs on top of some good old steak fries with a side of coleslaw, baby. Beautiful food. I'm starving. We waited 3 hours for this, so it better be some good food. That's where we're chilling at. I'm so glad. Time to dig in. Alright guys, we're going to end the vlog here. If you guys did enjoy, please go down below, subscribe. Make sure you're turning on post notifications. Give the video a big fat thumbs up. Let's see if we can hit 10 likes on this video. There's a Florida playlist in the description. Don't miss any of the Florida episodes that we're going to do, guys, this week that we're here. Also, next will be the first official Disney park. Epcot, we went to Epcot. It's already been recorded, and it will be up after this video, guys. We also have Universal in a couple days, which will be its own video, Magic Kingdom and everything. So if you guys did enjoy, let us know down below. Thank you guys for literally everything, and it has been Cam and Lex, and we're signing off. Peace out.